Okay, future underwater welders, let's talk about adding color to our beautiful drawings. So I, right here, imported the Java AWT color. So this is where we're going to get all of our colors from. Now there's two different techniques that I want to show you. The first one is using the color library that they have here. So if I want to set a color, when I set a color, it's going to set everything for everything that color until I set a new color. So I'll show you what I mean. So if I want to change this rectangle to be red, I am going to go and say G2. So I'm using my graphics 2-dimensional, and I am going to do a dot set color. And then I can open up my brackets. I'm going to use color dot, and now there's some color keywords that are already saved in here. Red is one of them. I'm going to use red. Most of the primary colors are, and I can set that color right here, and I can compile that. And now when I go over and I compile my main and run this main argument, everything that I have drawn is in red because this is the very first object that I have colored. So now if I want to go and I command copy, let's say that after this, I am going to draw everything else. Oop, I did not do that right. I will grab this, control copy, and now let me set this as blue. So now when I compile this and I run this, after my rectangle, I should have everything else blue. So just the rectangle is red, everything else is blue. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is how you can set your own color. So you can do G2 dot set color equals new color. And now color operates with three different inputs. This is our red value, our green value, and our blue value. All colors can be made RGB using these three values. So we have our red, green, and blue. So if we have this, it operates on a scale of 0, meaning there is no red in it, up to 255. Now with this, we can make any color in existence, kinda. It can make 16 million colors, which is a lot of colors. It's not as much as 8-bit color, which is well over billions, but I mean, no, this is 8-bit color, 10-bit color. 10-bit color is a lot more than this 16 million colors here, but 16 million will be fine for us. I don't think that we'll ever use all of them. So let's say that we want to make this green. I'm going to put this 0. I'll put this up at 255, and I will put this also at 0. So now that is, whoop, cannot find symbol. Oh, is it? I had it a second ago. Let me see. It was. Oh, I got it. Okay, so it is still, it's G2 dot color, and now we want inside of the parentheses, not equals. New color, color is equal to that, and this is still a set color. All right, that should be good. Yeah, cool. So now we should have a green rectangle, a blue ellipse, and everything else, starting with this longer ellipse, should be green. So let's compile that. We'll go over here, compile this, and we'll run that. Cool. So now we've got something that's pure green. All right, I told you that was the last thing, but I'm going to show you one more thing. So instead of using this draw function, draw just goes around the outside. We want to use the fill. So fill is actually going to fill in the color. So now when I compile this and I run this, my first object is filled in red. So that's a beautiful piece of abstract art right there. I hope that you enjoyed it. Now you can use fill, set your colors to whatever your heart desires, play around with these different values, even search, see if they have sky blue. Maybe they have dark green. Who knows? People do. But I want you to explore, figure it out. You got some fun drawings to make now. All right, talk to you later. Bye.